Hey everyone, it's Melody. I am here with my very first Stitch Fix unboxing video. Stitch Fix, for those of you who don't know, it's an online styling service. Basically, you sign up, you fill out a style profile, meaning you answer some questions, you let them know things you like to wear, things you don't like to wear, things you're wanting to wear, and a stylist curates a box for you of 5 items that can include bottoms, tops, shoes, accessories, jewelry, all sorts of stuff. I went ahead and signed up for the service. This is my first box. Let's see what I got. Here's my box. It looks pretty small. The inside of the box is pretty nice, very nicely wrapped up. So it includes your return mailer. It's through USPS. Anything you don't want to keep, you basically put back in here and you ship back. You also get a little note from your stylist, and then it also includes all of the information regarding prices, discounts, all that. And here is my bundle of clothing. Look at that. People always like to show off their bundles. I think it's kind of neat. It's really packaged beautifully. This is not how it's going to return back to them, but it's very nicely packaged. For my specific Stitch Fix box, I requested tops only. I typically, for any of these styling services, I don't ask for any jewelry. I don't buy fashion costume jewelry anymore, and I don't buy accessories like bags and things like that through these services. I'm pretty much mostly looking for clothes, sometimes occasionally shoes, but mostly clothes. And for this specific box, I asked for tops only. The really nice thing about Stitch Fix is that they include your items, and then they also give you these little style cards. So they show you how you can wear those specific items, what you can match it with, things of that nature. And then your stylist also writes you a little note right over there. Bam. So that's really nice too. So my stylist's name is Lynn. I loved her note because I could tell that she read my requests and the things that I was looking for. Really excited about that. I actually did request a specific top, but it looks like that wasn't in stock. That's okay, that definitely happens. I'm excited to see what she did send over though. Stitch Fix also sends you this little card, and it tells you exactly what you need to do next as far as keeping the things you want to keep and purchasing them, and then returning what you don't. And then this is the bill. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, so first up we have the Market & Spruce Salvatrice Hooded Henley Roll Tab Knit Top in olive in a size small. This looks very promising. It's actually a really pretty color, very soft material. It's got a hood to it. Tell you can roll up the sleeves here, and it also has a kanga pocket on it. Very nice and lightweight, a great transitional piece into fall, even though pretty much fall here is like summer. Like right now outside it's about 109 degrees. So it hurts my soul a little bit to have to try this on, but it's so lovely and the color is so nice. I'm definitely gonna try this on. And this little beauty is running for $48. Next up we have this really pretty blouse by Paper Moon. It is the Paper Moon Lori crew neck blouse in blue, size small. It pretty much feels like polyester, but it does have a really nice sleeve to it. It's got that wide open billowy sort of sleeve. The back also has a little zipper detail. I mean, it's functional for sure, but I'm hoping I don't ever have to use it. I don't know how to do that solo. It's got a little bit of a high-low, it looks like, as well. It's very pretty, but it looks a little sheer. I'm a little concerned, but we will try it on for sure. This blouse is $44. Next up we have a Fun to Fun Melee blue pleated top. It's kind of got a florally design to it. It's very nice, lightweight. Again, it's got some nice open sleeves to it. Looks like it'll be about 3/4 length. It looks pretty opaque. It's got a little bit of a high-low. It looks like a little bit longer in the back. And this is going for $48. This is not my favorite pattern as I'm looking at it. Looks a little bit matronly, but the actual cut of the blouse and the shape look possibly promising, so we'll see. This is something. So this is the Verse Maddie billow sleeve top in green, size small. This is definitely like a boho top, very Free People-esque, I want to say, in the shape of it. It looks a little sheer to me as well. It's kind of got almost like a paisley sort of pattern, which is not my favorite pattern to it, but definitely got the billowy sleeves. I love the open nature to that. Very lightweight, very nice, just kind of a flowy top, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. But this print though, y'all, I don't know about this. We will try it on for sure. And this is $44. And last but not least, we have this top from Tinsel, and this is the Hattie 2-pocket button. It's kind of a tunic length, which I'm kind of liking. I don't like the half button up detail to it. Oh no, it's a full button up. I thought it was a half button up. I don't know why. We will see how this goes. And this top is $44. So those are all of my items. Let's go ahead and try them on. Here's the first item. It is the olive hoodie. Very, very soft, very lightweight. I love the V-neck to it. The hood is not, it's really nice and light. The whole thing is very nice and light and airy. I love that it has the pocket in the front. This is one of the sleeves rolled up. So this is how it is rolled down. I almost wonder if I should get a size up just to get more of a loose fit to it. This is definitely a little bit more fitted. I don't think it's bad. Very, very comfortable. I'm surprised at how much I like this. Very nice. But yeah, there's the first top. Here is the next one. This is the Paper Moon top. This is 100% polyester, and I don't think I'm down. It's definitely not a stretch material. It feels a little tight if I move my arms around too much. I could definitely size up, but I just don't think I like it because of the material. I love the sleeves though. That's wonderful. I actually even like this color. The print is a little bit too couch-like for me. It's a little bit shorter in the front, a little longer in the back. I really like the length of the sleeves. If this was a rayon or something like that, I would prefer it so much more. And also I might want to size up, but that's only because it is a non-stretch fabric. Let me know what you guys think. I think the color is gorgeous, just this print is a little couchy. Here is the blue Fun to Fun pleated top. This is 100% rayon, but it really doesn't have a lot of stretch. It's much more of a woven fabric. The pleating detail is really light in the front. I like that. I love the V-neck to it. I love that it's open. Stylist was definitely listening to things I was saying because I said I don't like high necklines. I don't like turtlenecks or just high necklines. So the sleeve length is perfect. I had asked her for elbow or longer. Just nothing with a cap sleeve. Those usually don't look great on me because I am just wider in the shoulders. Does have more of a curved hemline, so comes up in the side. The fit is okay. It's not my favorite. I wish it was a little bit stretchier. The color is also not my favorite. The print is not my favorite either. It's a really nice top, just I don't think it's quite for me. I'm laughing so hard because I actually really love this top, but I don't love the print of it. Here is that green blouse. First of all, it has a wonderful open neckline, very airy. This is such a lightweight material. I thought it was gonna be quite sheer, but I feel like you can't really see through it. I'm wearing a nude colored bra, maybe just ever so slightly sheer. I don't know, I feel like you can't see my bra through it. The sleeve length is beautiful. I love that it's just nice and airy. I love the length of it. I love how it falls. It's so lovely. I really do like this top a lot, just not the print. My goodness, I wonder if they have it in a different color. I don't mind green actually. I just feel like this is very busy. What do you guys think? I think this is just a very busy print. Oh my goodness, I really like this though. I wonder if I can ask my stylist for a different print of this top. This is quite nice. This isn't really a stretchy material either, but it's a very lightweight material. I want to say it's probably rayon, let me check. This is 100% rayon, but again, there's no stretch to it. It's pretty much a woven fabric. I almost feel like maybe if I sized up one, it'd be a little bit flowier, or I guess it's just right. Let me know what you guys think. Here's the last top. It is the plaid one. Has a nice open neck feature to it. It has a collar, but I don't think it's a very structured collar, so it lays pretty well. I'm a little bit bigger busted, but there is no gaping here, which is kind of nice. You can roll up the sleeves as you can see, and there is a button, or you can roll them all the way down and they'd be more of a long sleeve. You can obviously wear something under this and leave this more open. I have a broad back, and this is just kind of a little tight in the shoulders. I have wide shoulders. It is what it is. So this is just not comfortable in the shoulders. It's a little snug in the arms. The actual trunk of the shirt is nice and loose. I just have wide shoulders. That's fine. It's longer in the back, so you could definitely wear it with leggings if you wanted to. It covers the bum. Not as long in the front, but still pretty good length. You could do a little front tuck, you could tie it up, all that good sort of stuff. I don't even mind the white color of this. Usually I'm not huge on white because I like think about spaghetti and then I've got like spaghetti stains everywhere. You know what I mean? It's like I think it and it happens. It's one of those sort of situations. The plaid's a little busy for me. I feel like there's a lot of lines going here, there, everywhere, especially the pockets. I almost wonder if it would look nicer without the pockets. I don't know. I just feel like it accentuates like, hey, here's my chest. Not super in love with that aspect of it either, but it's pretty comfortable. So those are all 5 items. What did you guys think? I think Lynn, my stylist, did a really great job, especially since I was so specific with what I wanted. I think she sent a great variety of items, all within my request. So I think all five items were great. I didn't love anything specifically. So let's go ahead and break down how the pricing works for Stitch Fix. So for all 5 items in my box, the total comes out to $228. Now for Stitch Fix, if you happen to buy all 5 out of 5 items, they give you a 25% discount. So if I bought all 5 out of 5 items, it would be a $57 discount, which brings my subtotal to $171 for all 5 tops. Now to get a box curated by Stitch Fix, you pay a $20 styling fee, but that $20 goes towards anything that you purchase in the box. So if I purchase one of the tops that were $44, that $20 styling fee that I pay would go towards that top, and then I would pay the difference. Now, when you first sign up for a box, I highly recommend signing up through a referral link. That's what I did, because when you do that, you get $25 in credit, meaning your first box is absolutely free to style, plus you get an extra $5 that goes towards anything that you purchase. So for this box, I have a $25 credit. With the $25 credit plus the discount, my total would come out to $146 for all 5 tops. So that would average out to about $30 per top. Not bad. But since I didn't really love any of the tops that I received this time, I'm not going to keep anything, and I'm going to send everything back, which means that I lose out on the $20 styling fee. But that's kind of okay, because I didn't have to pay for it. Again, I signed up through someone's referral link, so I was credited that money. So again, this whole process was free for me for this first box. I do think I'm going to try the surface again, because I really do like this green top, but just not in green. So I'm gonna see if my stylist can find this top for me in a different print, possibly. So the next time that I get a box, I would have to pay the $20 styling fee, and then anything that I keep would be credited to that purchase. I had a lot of fun with this. I definitely think Stitch Fix is beneficial for some people, especially when you're looking for specific items like myself. I have a hard time finding tops, so I asked Stitch Fix to just find a bunch of tops for me, things that I might not be able to find on my own. Plus, everything gets shipped to you. You ship it all back. You don't pay for shipping. All of that's kind of included in your styling fee. And I like that you get to try on things in the convenience of your own home. I also think that the app is very user-friendly. I think it's kind of fun to see what someone else picks out for you, especially because I don't see a lot of these sort of items in places that I shop. So that is it for my first Stitch Fix video. So if you want to try out Stitch Fix and get a $25 credit, I'm going to leave my referral link down below. It's up to you if you want to use it or not. I would recommend using it, because then you kind of get a free box to try it out. So if you happen to use my link, you get $25 in credit. I also get $25 in credit. If you don't use my link, you can use someone else's link. Get your $25, that's all I'm saying. That's what I did anyways. I would highly recommend it. Don't sign up for Stitch Fix without a referral link, because why would you skip out on $25? You know what I mean? If you happen to have any more questions regarding Stitch Fix, you could go ahead and ask down below. This is my first box, but I've done a lot of research on it, watched a lot of videos, so I feel like I can probably answer most questions. Let me know down below which item was your favorite, which item you think I should have kept. I'm gonna send everything back though, but let me know down below if you have seen a top on Stitch Fix that you think I might like, then maybe I can request it from my stylist as well. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys wanna see more from me, definitely click subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Stitch Fix or unboxing videos. If you guys wanna see more of that sort of thing from my channel, I've been really obsessed with watching them, so I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll try a couple more services just to see if anyone can find me a lovely new top to wear this fall winter season. I'm gonna be honest though, it's 109 degrees out. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.